Let's unbox our Be Happy Beginner Kit. Each of our beginner kits includes all the supplies you need so you can get to the fun part, stitching. First up, we have a printed reference card with a QR code on the back that gives you access to the step-by-step video tutorials. These guide you through every step of the pattern, from preparing your hoop to all the stitch techniques and the finishing steps. And here is the pattern template that we will transfer onto the fabric. Then we have a backing card which you can write your name and the date on. This is special because you can look back on your work and see how far you've come. This beechwood hoop is excellent quality and so lovely to stitch in. It holds your fabric nice and tight. Next up, we have these beautiful Clever Poppy threads. There's plenty of floss for you to finish your hoop, even if you make some mistakes along the way, which is totally normal. These are our Clever Poppy scissors. They're nice and sharp for snipping your threads. And this is the needle pack. In the tutorials, we have lots of tips for how to thread your needle. Our transfer pen is heat erasable, so you can remove your pen lines with a hairdryer or iron. And last up, we have some cotton fabric, which is so lovely to stitch on. This kit is perfect for beginners, and I just know you will have so much fun learning embroidery.